Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So, is this what the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra could look like? The new upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra dimensions leaked online, revealing a new slim design. Samsung is expected to announce the Galaxy S25 Ultra after 4 months, but some of its features have leaked already. The biggest unknown factor about Samsung's next flagship phone is its design, which is said to be a major change. While that hasn't leaked yet, you should expect it to be an extremely slim device, as Galaxy S25 Ultra's dimensions have leaked in the latest available data. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. All major reports suggested that the new Galaxy S25 Ultra could be among the slimmest Samsung flagships. Yes. According to reliable tipster Ice Universe, the Galaxy S25 Ultra's dimensions are 162.8 by 77.6 by 8.2 mm. This information was made publicly on X.com, formerly Twitter, a few moments ago. If this information is correct, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be among the thinnest flagship smartphones launched in 2025. It won't be Samsung's slimmest flagship though, as the Galaxy S6 was just 7 mm thin. Here is the comparison of the dimensions of all Samsung flagship smartphones released over the past 5 years, as you can see in the video. Expect the device to feature titanium side rails and some form of Gorilla Glass on the front and the rear. It will likely have dust and water resistance and an in-display fingerprint reader. The tipster also revealed that Samsung will continue to use 45 watts fast charging for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, similar to the Galaxy S20 Ultra, which was launched in 2020. Moreover, the upcoming phone will also have the same 5000 mAh battery capacity as its predecessors. Samsung doesn't appear to be thinking about any battery hardware upgrades for next year. It is impressive in itself that Samsung has managed to make the phone thinner despite upgrading the cameras. According to previous reports, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset and features an improved new 200-megapixel primary rear camera system, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, two 50-megapixel telephoto cameras, and a 12-megapixel front selfie camera. Also, the device will run Android 15-based One UI 7.1 software out of the box, which will get 7 years of Android OS updates. It is expected that the new Galaxy S25 line will officially launch early next year. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.